Hey there! Today we are checking out a small VS Code setting that can actually make a big difference in your workflow. Before we get started, I would like to thank everyone who supports this channel, especially the 2300 subscribers. Your support helps me continue creating clear and concise tutorials. Alright, now let's get back to VS Code. By default, when you open a new editor tab, VS Code places it to the right side of your current tab. But there are other options too. Let's find out more. Press Ctrl and comma or Command comma on macOS to open the settings. And then search for workbench.editor.open positioning. And from this dropdown, you can choose left, right, which is the default option, first, and last. Now let's go first with left. And left will open a new tab to the left of the active tab. Now the right will open it to the right side of the current tab. And next, let's go with first, which will open the new tab at the very start of the tab list. And finally, we have the last option, which will open the tab at the very end of the tab list. You can also directly modify your settings.json file by adding the following line: workbench.editor.open positioning, and let's go with left. Press save. Now press Ctrl and N or Command N on macOS to open a new tab. Changing this setting is a small tweak, but it can make opening new tabs work the way you prefer. Try the different options and stick with the one that feels most natural to you. Check out the other VS Code videos on this channel to find out how to customize your editor and boost your productivity. Wishing you a wonderful day, and I look forward to catching you in the next one.